Welcome to the ConsignPro guided tour. My name is Sarah and it is my pleasure to guide you through our most popular screens today. If you prefer to take the tour by yourself, you can click the mute button at the top of this screen. You can also turn me on or off as you wish during the tour. Our tour consists of 12 slides that will show you the most basic functions of the ConsignPro program. By the end of our tour, you will be able to visualize how easy ConsignPro is to use and how it will simplify running your resale shop. Our tour starts on the ConsignPro main menu. The main menu is the starting and ending point for every transaction you do. It's our software the easiest to use program serving this industry. The menu comes in 5 easy to select color choices. Your color scheme can be chosen by simply clicking on the squares in the top right corner of the menu. We've chosen gray for our tour. Using our menu, you'll be able to add or find consignors or inventory, make sales, do returns, run reports, set up employees, or set up your store defaults. Each button can be clicked with your mouse or by pressing the assign function key. Next, our tour takes us to adding a new consignor to the system. Please click Next Slide to continue. This slide shows our Add Consignor screen. You will use this screen to add new consignors to the system. The system automatically assigns the next available consignor ID, in this case, number 27. Only the bold fields are required and the tab key on your keyboard will move you quickly around the screen. The system will auto-capitalize your entries to be sure data is entered consistently. The Add Consignor screen is also used to print the consignor contract. The terms of the contract are entered by you on our Maintain Store screen when you first set up ConsignPro. More on that later. You'll notice that you could set the consignor split percentage on each consignor that you add to the system. In this case, the consignor will receive 60% of an item's selling price. Now that we have a consignor in the system, we can add an item to the consignor's account by clicking on Add Items in the lower right. Please click Next Slide. Our Add Inventory screen automatically assigns the next available item number to this consignor's bronze sculpture. In this case, the item number is 1805. The bold fields that you complete on the screen are the type, description, color, size, and price. You can make some of those fields optional, change their names, or even hide them from the screen if they don't apply to your business. Our drop-down list can also be changed by you to better represent the items that you plan to sell in your store. All of these lists are customized on our Maintain List screen. You'll notice that you can also change the split percentage on any item in the system. In this case, we adjusted the split from 60% to 50% and told the system to never reduce the item. When you are done adding this item, you can either return to our main menu or click the Add Another button to continue adding items for this particular consignor. The system can be set to automatically print barcoded tags or labels as you add items, or they can be printed in batches on our report screen. By now, you should be getting a really good idea of just how easy ConsignPro handles new consignors and new inventory. Click Next Slide to see how easy it is to sell an item. From our main menu, we click the Make Sale button. This screen is our point of sale feature that allows you to quickly sell items, whether they are consigned, store-owned, or retail items. In our example, we sold the bronze statue we just added by scanning the barcode on the tag. When we did that, the description, color, and current price appear automatically. We chose to mark down the statue by 10% using the Reduce By box. We also sold a few more items, some of which are taxed while others are not. If we wanted to, we could save the sale for later use, untax the entire sale, or finish the sale with these 5 items. Up to 80 items can be sold on any one sale. The system will automatically turn the pages for you as you scan the barcodes. At this point, we'll click Finish Sale to see the totals for this sale. Please click Next Slide. Our Amount Due screen appears on Slide 5. This screen summarizes all 5 items that were sold, calculates state sales tax, allows us to select the payment type, apply discounts, and apply consignor credit if the customer happens to also be a consignor. In this case, we further discounted the sale by $25 and chose to split the payment between cash and credit card. When we entered $400 into the paid box, the system automatically calculates the change due to the customer. The Get Customer Info button can be used to get more information about the customer and record specific information about what was purchased. Gift card, loyalty card, and credit card processing are all built right into ConsignPro, making the point of sale process seamless and easy. Next, we'll complete the sale and look up the consignor we added earlier to see how the sale affected their account balance in this system. Click Next Slide to continue. On the main menu, we clicked Find Consignor and then looked up consignor 27. We can look up a consignor by number, last name, or phone number. This screen looks very similar to the Add Consignor screen we saw earlier, but has a few more options. Notice the consignor balance is now $87.50, the amount they received from the statue sale we just completed. On this screen, you could choose to pay the consignor using the Payout Balance button, view their account activity, or send the consignor an email note with information about their account. You'll also notice that the system maintains a running balance in the lower left corner of all items ever sold on this account. You'll always know who your best consignors are just by looking up their account. Next, we'll click the Account Activity button to see the specifics behind their account balance. Please click Next Slide to continue. The Account Activity window shows you all transactions that affected this consignor's balance. Sales, payouts, and adjustments all appear on this one screen, which can be easily printed using the Print Activity button. The activity report that prints shows even more detail than is shown on this screen. Next, we chose to double-click on the Amount column for a further breakdown on how the system calculated the payment to this consignor. This concludes adding a consignor, adding an item, making a sale, and reviewing the consignor account. Next, we'll take a look at how you set up the store defaults on the Maintain Store screen. Please click Next to continue. The Maintain Store screen is set up by the store owner when they first start using ConsignPro. Basic store information, tax rates, markdowns, and the default consignment period are all entered on this screen, which can be updated at any time. Also on this screen is the Maintain List button that allows you to change the list we saw on the Add Inventory screen, and the Print Checks button, which brings up a screen allowing you to print checks for all of your consignors. The Customize CP button also allows you to set up your printers and other point-of-sale hardware items that you might have connected to your computer. Next, we'll click the Store Terms tab at the top to access other store-related settings. Please click Next to continue. The Store Terms screen allows you to set up inventory markdowns, commission schedules, a customer rewards program, and both simple and advanced buyer's fees. Every feature on this and every screen in ConsignPro is explained in detail in our printed user guide, which comes with ConsignPro or any package purchase. Click Next to see how employees are set up in ConsignPro. Our employee screen is used to set up access levels or permissions for the employees who work for you. Each account gets a password to control access into the software, and the permissions on the right are used to limit what the employee can do when they are logged into the system. We've included an Employee Profile Assistant to make setting those check boxes easy. When done, we'll click Menu and then go and look at our report screen to see what reports are available in ConsignPro. Please click Next to continue. Here you'll see the ConsignPro report screen, which consists of primary reports and other reports. In total, ConsignPro has about 25 predefined reports that can tell you everything about sales, inventory, customers, and consignors. This screen is also used to print your tags or labels, as you'll notice in the lower left corner of the screen. The reports on the screen can be run at any time for any time period you're interested in and can be either printed to your screen or to the printer. Many of these reports are also designed to automatically print during shutdown, showing you just that day's activity. On the Other Reports tab at the top, you would see many more reports and the ability to print mailing labels for your consignors, customers, or both. Please click the Next button to conclude our guided tour. Hopefully you've been able to visualize just how easy ConsignPro is to learn and to teach other people. Our main menu is unique to this industry and makes our software the most user-friendly program available in this market. Although we've only touched on a handful of screens, there are many more features in this software that you'll enjoy discovering for yourself when you download our free demo at the link below. In addition to the features that you see in ConsignPro, there are also many that you don't. These include data safeguards, data edits, automatic backups, tips, reminders, and even activity logs that record suspicious employee behavior. As a special bonus for listening to our guided tour, we'd like to offer you $100 off your software or package purchase. Simply use the discount code TOUR when you purchase ConsignPro online, and we'll take $100 off of your purchase. We hope you've enjoyed the guided tour, and we look forward to helping you automate your business.